Want to know how to remove object from your image in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will direct you to its official website right here. Now, on the dashboard, you got photo editor. Click on it. And once you're there, in order to import images, just simply click open and choose from any right here. Now once your image has been imported, make sure there is an object on it. For me, this car is an object. Now collapse essentials, and under remove and replace, you got object eraser. Click on it. Now just select the object by pressing on it. Make sure you select the entire object. Now once you've selected the entire object, just simply click erase object. And there you have it. The object has been removed. Although it's a little rough, the object has been successfully removed from the image. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.